first improvement is we now have the ability to, for the consumer to view the inventory amounts that you've specified for a product in the backend. Okay, so let's jump into a product and let's see if we can first set up a product with some inventory amounts. So I'll choose my first item here. And we'll click into the inventory section. So first thing, I'll enable inventory for this product. And then I'll go ahead and stock a few of these SKUs. So I'll just do the first few here at the top. And then I can enter in my inventory on hand amounts. I guess while we're here, I'll go ahead and mention on this change, which is part of another update, but I don't know if we had a chance to cover it before. We now have an option to specify whenever you're updating your inventory amounts, there's an option to specify a reason for the change. And that's good for obviously historical purposes. You can always click in and see the log of every change to a product's inventory. So that could come in quite handy. So I'm going to go ahead and save this change here. Meanwhile that's saving, I'll go ahead and say hi to everyone in the chat here. We've got Kai chiming in and Eastern Shore Screen Printing. Thanks guys for joining in. All right, so let's click over into our inventory settings, make sure everything's good here. Okay, so let's jump back to the site, click into our product section, and click into, I believe this is the item. Let me double check. Let's see, I'm not sure if that's the item. Let's jump into the website page editor. Make sure we have the option enabled here. So we'll need to turn this option on. This is the new option that you can turn on, Show Inventory Levels button. So let's turn that on and let's save and publish that change. Okay, now let's refresh our view product page. And we'll see right here, right below the kind of main pricing information, you have this new link, View Inventory Availability. Clicking on that will open up a pop-up. It'll show all of the SKUs for that product and the amounts on hand for that particular SKU. So we can see I only set them for the Admiral Blue, which is why every other SKU is showing kind of not available. But you can see these are the quantities I entered earlier. And so, yeah, this has been a request for quite some time for the ability to have the consumer see what the inventory amount is that you have on hand. So a nice little improvement there.